Well, guys, I'm so angry. I was astonished to. I was so shocked. All right, here we go. It is almost 8:30 p.m. and it has been almost 2 hours since I finished my last class today. I was such a starving person, and I was so starving, so tired. I walked a long way to get my food, and now I get my food, but I'm not pleased with the service in Subway. I don't know whether you have experienced such kind of things. Well, actually, today is a little bit because most of the teenagers always eat dinner at such a late time. You know, that Subway is in the dormitory, so a lot of students are buying Subways in that shop. And but there are not too many people. I remember on that line after me, there's only maybe 4 or 5 guys after me. They put my turkey. Actually, turkey should be slice by slice, right? I ordered the footlong. Then they put two slices into together, and when I politely ask them to don't do that, please put them slice by slice, they refused and just ignored me. I was so shocked. That son of a bitch, I show me his shit face. Come on, don't show me your shit face. I'm not your mom. I didn't pull the shit over your face when you were born. I know I'm a little dirty to say that word, but she looks just like a piece of shit, okay? Uh, he, it's a man, female, it's a male. I was so astonished. Anyway, don't make myself so angry. And actually, my glass has some problems. It makes some dirty. It seems a little oil that can be fixed immediately. Well, I get a lot of good stuff to show you guys. First, my full-on turkey. Actually, I'm going, and my chips, and also the white monster, my favorite drink. Also, the group zero energy drink. It's good for me to, you know, get some compensate. I'm so tired and angry. I'm so angry at this moment. I'm going to change my position. I'm not going to buy. Am I too particular? I think it is very common to have some little requirements about your food. And the best thing is, you don't show me the respect. I mean, I'm the classroom. If I have some requirements, if you don't want to, I mean, get my requirements well done, at least you should say, give me some reason. Today is so busy. I hope you can understand us and just understand us. Maybe next time when you come, I would put slice by slice, that kind of things. That son of a bitch told nothing. Or maybe he is just safe. He can't understand me. Let me show you guys. That son of a bitch. What an idiot. I don't know. Today is such a mess. I mean, I don't know whether you can see it or not. It just doesn't good. I mean, I don't. You see? Can you see the turkey? Stupid bitch. The son of a bitch. I don't my turkey to be. Alright, here we go. That is a turkey sandwich, okay? And also the other half here. And I think, the quality of their service has become so poor recently because they became a little dirty, and also the person are not as nice as before. I don't know why, but here is the thing, the truth. Probably I should change my position of buying Subway. Next time, probably I should go into the UC since they are both not very as clean. This Subway has become not clean, so probably I think as they are all a little dirty, why I just switch to another place, maybe have a better service. I mean, a Subway in UC, at least they face a lot of students and they should have better service. I don't know. I will try tomorrow. I'll try it tomorrow. Yeah, I'll try it definitely tomorrow. All right, and it's very late at this moment, and I'm so starving. I have late class today, which begins probably at about um, at 6. Yeah, it's at 6 p.m. and it at 5 p.m. and it ended at 6:30, and the professor is going on a trip, so he made a lot of detailed presentation about our class, which is not that necessary. All right, see you guys.